Stop looking down on yourself. Allow the naysayers talk, but I want you to believe this is not the first time he's lifting people. This is not the first time he's prospering people. No, this is not the first time he's making a man of God, a prophet, an apostle, an evangelist out of ordinary people. He's a master at it. This is not the first time he's lifting a nobody to become a phenomenon. This is not the first time. It's what he can do. There is nothing God has told me that I cannot believe him for. I learned this from God's servant Bishop David Oyedepo. He said he can believe God for anything. For those of you who think you have seen what this ministry has done, we're only one step out of the cave. You keep watching. You will see the wonder working power of the God of heaven.